one of our sisters sent this question. She says some time back she was preaching to somebody. Then the person put this question. In Surah Baqarah, Allah says, "Fi qulubihim marazun, fazadahum Allahu maraza." The question is, everybody is Allah's servant. Why Allah?
The man. And one for you, one for him. Come on, keep it with you. Yes, please. The last question because of the time.
So,
MashaAllah. Your time will come next time, inshallah. And so your mother's time will.
Allah says that fi qulubihim maradun fazadahum Allahu marada. The questioner asks that everybody is Allah's servant, but why Allah increases the disease of some people and leaves others?
You see, it's like a cancer. Cancer spreads after a while. For some time it remains hidden. So cancer is a type of rebellion. Similarly, Rohani diseases, spiritual diseases, are a rebellion and a cancer of the sort. So this verse exactly tells us that fi qulubihim maradun, deep inside, hidden in their hearts, there is a disease which is not apparent. So to bring it up so that the disease ultimately spreads and everybody can see the disease, Allah does this to them. It's not a cruelty of Allah, it is a reality how human souls are treated by themselves, and their cancerous or rebellious approach is ultimately disclosed.